In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform with Google Sheets. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate your Typeform responses into a spreadsheet, you've come to the right place. This integration allows you to easily track and analyze your data, making life a whole lot simpler. First, let's head over to Typeform. You'll want to go to the Workspaces section. Think of this as your main dashboard, where all your forms live. It's like your command center, so make sure you're comfortable navigating it. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific form you want to connect. This is important because you'll be linking this form's responses to your Google Sheet, and you want to ensure you're working with the right one. Once you've selected your form, look for the option button. This is usually represented by 3 dots, sometimes referred to as a kebab menu, and clicking it will give you a variety of functions related to your form. What we're interested in is the connection feature. So go ahead and select Connect. This will bring you into the integration section, which is where all the magic happens. Now, in this new section, we need to look for Google Sheets. You can think of this like searching for an app on your smartphone. Once you found it, go ahead and click Connect. This is the step where we start bridging the gap between Typeform and Google Sheets. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to use for storing your Typeform responses. Grant the necessary permissions so that Typeform can access your Google account and create or use the spreadsheets as needed. Now, you have a choice. You can either create a new sheet specifically for your Typeform responses or use an existing one. If you decide to create a new sheet, you'll be asked to enter a name for it. Make sure it's something easy to recognize. On the flip side, if you're using an existing sheet, you'll need to paste the URL of that sheet. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to activate the integration. This is your final step in the process. By clicking Activate Integration, you complete the linkage and your Typeform responses will automatically be recorded in your Google Sheet. It's like flipping the switch to turn everything on, and there you have it. You've successfully connected Typeform with Google Sheets. This integration is particularly useful when you need to manage vast amounts of data efficiently. You'll now notice that every time someone completes your form, their responses seamlessly appear in your spreadsheet, ready for any further analysis or action you need to take. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow.